Hello friends, welcome to Nutan app. I am going to explain you about settings in Nutan app. When you log into Nutan app, you will see the dashboard screen where all the menu options are given. And at the top, on the right corner, you see there is a wheel symbol that is called settings. So we all are familiar how settings icon looks. Now let us click the settings icon. The first option is, you see on the right corner, red color icon of YouTube. So this video is placed here. Anytime if you need any help or you want to play back, watch it, just click on it. It will open in the YouTube and you can watch it. You have to sign into YouTube to watch that. Then you see below there is an option called auto SMS. What does it mean? If this is blue light is on, means when you are getting any call or making any call, auto SMS will go. If you touch it for some time, you want to stop it, auto SMS should not go, then you touch it, it becomes gray color, then auto SMS will not go. So this is very important, you can just note it. So I am making it on, so auto SMS will go. Next option is select SMS channel. If you touch it, it will get minimized. We touch, it expands. So now if it will show here all the SIMs what you have. Let's say your device has single SIM, only one number will be visible here. If it has dual SIM, then two numbers will be visible here. Please note it, if your mobile number should be visible here. If it's not coming, then you go to your device settings. Like, let me show you. I go to the device settings, like this is device settings. Click on that and go to your network and internet. Option name may be different. Go to your SIM card manager, name may be different, and you see that SIM slot 1 I have set business and my mobile number, right? So if I click on this, here I have set, I can edit the name business, right? So here I have given the name and I have entered my mobile number. So this is very important. You have to ensure that you have done these settings and you have to come back. So this number and this, you see the name and number will be visible. So now we come back to the app. So you see here is, then you have to choose whichever SIM where you have daily 100 unlimited message. So what you have to do, you set that SIM. So if I set 2, then message will go through 2. If I set 1, then 1 it will go. Then one more check you have to do. If you are setting message, your auto SMS should go through one SIM 1, then you have to ensure in your device settings, let us come to the device settings. You see here preferred SIM for, you see the below option is set for mobile data business, and for SMS you see SIM 1 is set. It's very important. In app you set 2 SIM 2 and here is SIM 1, then message will not go because device will stop it. So you have to ensure that you have set SIM 1, so SIM 1 is here. If it's SIM 2, then you set here SIM 2, then it will go. Like if I set here SIM 2 and I set in app SIM 1, then it will not go. Then I have to set SIM 2. So it's clear? That's very important. Next option is, third option is SMS gateway. SMS gateway is what? If you want to send your auto SMS or you want to send the bulk SMS, then you have to use the SMS gateway, means bulk SMS gateway, through which you can send unlimited number of SMS and you have to buy the SMS balance and then you can send. For that you have to also register your DLT, right? You have to register your sender ID. What is sender ID? A short code. You may be getting lot of bulk SMS and you would have seen that first 6 digits are some unique names are there, right? So that you have to use. For that you have to contact us. If you set SMS gateway and DLT registration is not done, then your message will not go. So you set that what you want to, what you have. Then this is about select SMS channel is done. Now you just click on that, it gets minimized. Next option you see signature. Your registered name will be visible here. Then your mobile number is visible. You can enter your organization name. Let's say you want to write here your organization name, LIC of India, or your company name you can write here, and you can make it on. So if you click on, then blue light you can enter your organization name and you can make it blue light on. So in your auto SMS your organization name will go. If you add address, you can change the address here, edit it, and you can set on, so address will go. You add the WhatsApp number. I always suggest you do not set the mobile number, but you set the WhatsApp number, and you can add it here. You can enter the WhatsApp number here. So the benefit is in your virtual business card, WhatsApp number will be visible here, right? And it goes a link. If somebody clicks the link, automatically WhatsApp comes to us. So I recommend you use WhatsApp. So this is on website. You can set your digital V card and you can make it on. You can add it from here, right? So this is about signature. Now next go to the default templates. Here you can set your incoming message, outgoing message, missed call message, and if you want to set all type of calls, you click it. You want to change it, you just click on the pencil, and you can, any of the message you can just select from here. You see, from here you can select. If you select here, like this is for all calls, now this message will be visible here in the default templates, right? So this is the message it will go. So that's ensure that your default message is set here. How to edit it? Pencil is given there, you edit it, right? So that way you can add it here. Now let's come to the next. Touch on the default templates, it will get minimized, it will get hide. Now next option is, you see, sync cloud contacts to cloud. It's very important. Many of you, if you don't want to store your contact data or your customer contact data into cloud server, then you make it, you touch the blue light, it will ask you, do you, your cloud data, device data will be overwritten. So if you say okay, so your cloud data backup will happen into your device, and then all your contacts will be stored. Whichever option you have selected, it will be stored in the device itself. Now I make it on. So you test this, how it works, right? And you need any help, then ask us. Now let's come back. So we have come back. Then you next you see select sender ID. So sender ID, as I told you earlier, is nothing but a short code, 6 digits short code, using which your message will go. So you have to submit your KYC with us, then we'll get the sender ID registration. It takes within a day, it is done, and then we'll set it. It will be visible to you. You can, so if you have one sender ID, only one will be visible. If you have two sender ID, two will be visible, and you can set your sender ID using which the message has to go. So whatever here is set, the message will go through that when you select SMS gateway or when you go and use bulk SMS. So very important to note that. Now let's minimize it. Touch the select sender ID, it will be minimized. Now next option is select SMS gateway route. What is this? There are two channels to send the bulk SMS. Promotional, which works 9 AM to 9 PM as per TRAI rules, and transactionally 24/7. Transactional messages are generally sent to your known contacts. So you set for known contacts transactional message, who are your customers, like how we get the message from banks. But if you are sending any product promotion, features and others, then you select the promotional route and then use the SMS gateway or bulk SMS. So use the, now I explained you, right? Now next is the clear SMS logs. What is this? So when you go to the dashboard, you see there is an option called on the first row, third option, first on the right, SMS logs. Here whenever you are getting any calls or making calls, those numbers are getting populated here. So those numbers will be visible. You want to, over a period of time, this will grow very large. So you can delete it from settings. So you have to go to settings and then you can touch the clear SMS logs. If you delete clear, it will delete. Next option is user settings. Very important. When you register for a yearly subscription, you have the choice to add a user. I have added 2 3, but you will be allowed to add only one user, and that user can, now you click on the plus symbol and you see here you can enter the name of your support staff or any other mobile number, WhatsApp number and PIN, and using which anybody can log in using that mobile number. And then as is with one price, one subscription, two numbers, two mobile devices can be used for the send SMS. Next option is the backup. You want to take the backup of your data from cloud server. Click on the option, click on the backup. The file will be downloaded to your local device. So you can store it in your laptop or desktop. Next option is the change pin. You can enter your old pin, submit, then it will ask you to enter new pin, confirm new pin, and your pin will be changed. So that's all. So this is about change pin. Next, last option is delete account. In case you want to close your account, you click on that, enter the reason for closure, and here you see is given, if you again log into your account within 15 days, your account will be activated automatically. So once you submit like delete, then you should not use the app for log into the app for next 15 days. If you log in within that, the delete will be reverted. If you do not log in after 15 days, your account will be deactivated. You can't log in that. Okay. So so that's all about settings. Hope you like it. अगर आप in case you need any more assistance, any more help, you can just ping us in WhatsApp, write to us, email us, or go to the you see here on the top 3 dash menu bar, you come to the contact us, click on the contact us, you see the contact us form, fill up the form. If you are facing any error, anything, you click on the attachment, this button, and then submit to us, we will contact you. Below are our social media channels, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and LinkedIn. You connect with us so that you can get regular updates. Do not forget to like us. Please like in the YouTube and help us, encourage us to serve you better and better. Thank you.